Hi, this is Emerald Vinyl, and today I'm going to teach you the basics of foil and adhesive HTV. So these are the items we are using for today's project. I will definitely leave them in the description below. So I set up in my silhouette space my cut file. I used Paint Smear SVG, and I used the name Olivia for a friend's daughter. So here I am getting ready to set it up to cut, and I wanted to make sure that I mirrored my image before doing so. Always mirror. In this instance, we are making sure the carrier side of the sheet is face down on our cutting mat, and we are cutting in reverse. Now be careful when it comes down to getting ready to weed. You know, in this instance, we're showing you both sides of the vinyl so you can see which side is shiny, which side is dull, but you may need to use light, maybe from your camera phone if you happen to have a ring light. It may help you with weeding away the excess with this vinyl. It's very, very tedious. But once you get it going, it becomes much, much easier to see in the end. So in this instance, we're going to only press the vinyl on for 5 seconds. Medium pressure is required. You don't need much pressure. You don't even have to close the clamp all the way down. It's gonna tack on really, really easily. Think of it as like a double-sided tape. Peel it warm. You don't need to peel it cold whatsoever. You can go ahead and get ready for your next step. And in this next step, we are going to place the foil sheet right over the EasyWeed Adhesive vinyl. I put a carrier sheet over it to kind of hold it in place and reduce any crinkling in my foil because it may show up. So once we press it for the full 20 seconds, we're going to make sure the garment has completely cooled down. You do not want to pull it away while it's still hot. You want it to completely cool down, and once it's completely cool, you pull your foil away, and voila, you're done.